Cheapest eVTOL aircraft under $5,000 that you can order online today. Some electric flying machines now cost less than a luxury SUV, and one claims to be available for under $5,000. But would you believe it? Here are some of them, and the last one will definitely leave you speechless. 1. RTOR X4 EV. We're starting off with this aircraft because it has generated enormous attention online. The RTOR X4 EV is one of the newest personal electric aircraft to enter the market, and it immediately stood out because of its aggressive pricing. Instead of costing hundreds of thousands of dollars like most competitors, RTOR announced a launch price of around $39,900, with customers able to reserve one using a $5,000 deposit. Now this is where things get interesting. Some online videos have made it sound as though you can buy the aircraft for under $5,000. That's not exactly true. The $5,000 only secures your reservation. The remaining balance still needs to be paid before delivery. Even so, compared to traditional aircraft, this is remarkably affordable. The X4 features 8 folding carbon fiber propellers arranged on 4 arms, making it compact enough to transport in the back of some pickup trucks. It is powered by dual semi-solid-state batteries designed with redundancy, meaning one battery can help keep the aircraft under control if the other fails. Performance includes a top speed of roughly 50 miles per hour, approximately 20 minutes of flight time, and a maximum pilot weight of about 220 pounds. 2. Rotor X Dragon. Next comes an aircraft that was designed specifically for aviation enthusiasts who want to build and fly their own personal eVTOL. The Rotor X Dragon entered the market with pre-order pricing around $85,000, while regular pricing sits close to $99,000. Unlike many other concepts that exist only as computer renderings, the Dragon was created as a practical personal aircraft kit. Its 8 electric motors provide vertical lift, while sophisticated flight software assists the pilot through automatic hovering, automatic takeoff, landing assistance, and position hold. The aircraft flies for approximately 20 minutes, reaches speeds near 60 miles per hour, and supports pilots weighing up to 250 pounds. One particularly appealing feature is the removable battery system, allowing fresh batteries to be installed after charging instead of waiting extended periods. 3. Air 1. You would not believe it if I told you that one of the fastest personal eVTOLs is also among the more affordable 2-seat options. The Air 1, developed in Israel, begins at approximately $150,000. Unlike multi-copter-style aircraft that remain dependent on rotors throughout flight, the Air 1 transitions into wing-borne flight after takeoff, greatly improving efficiency. Its 8 propellers handle vertical lift before aerodynamic wings take over during forward travel. The aircraft reaches speeds approaching 155 miles per hour, offers a range of roughly 110 miles, and provides close to 1 hour of flight time. Charging takes around 1 hour under ideal conditions, and the aircraft carries nearly 440 pounds, enough for 2 occupants and luggage. For private owners wanting both speed and practicality, Air 1 has become one of the most anticipated personal aircraft on the market. What makes the Air 1 especially appealing is its focus on combining performance with ease of operation. The spacious enclosed cockpit is designed to provide excellent visibility and a comfortable flying experience for both the pilot and passenger. Advanced onboard flight computers assist with navigation and stability, helping reduce pilot workload during different phases of flight. The company also emphasizes safety by integrating multiple redundant systems and modern electric propulsion technology. 4. Pivotal Helix. If simplicity is your priority, the Pivotal Helix deserves serious attention. Priced from about $190,000, with premium configurations climbing toward $260,000. The Helix focuses on making personal flight as straightforward as possible. The aircraft features a lightweight carbon fiber airframe, intuitive joystick controls, and digital flight assistance that reduces pilot workload. Safety is another major focus. The Helix includes redundant flight systems, emergency flotation capability, and a ballistic parachute for added protection. Even more impressive, it was designed around FAA Part 103 ultralight rules, allowing operation without a traditional pilot's license under qualifying conditions. 5. Jetson 1. Few aircraft have become as recognizable online as the Jetson 1. Its appearance resembles something straight out of a science fiction movie, yet people are already flying them. Current pricing is approximately $128,000, although production slots remain heavily booked. Built around an aluminum space frame reinforced with carbon fiber, the Jetson 1 uses 8 electric motors to provide stable vertical flight. Its onboard computers constantly assist the pilot through hover stabilization, radar-assisted landing, obstacle awareness, and emergency systems, including a ballistic parachute. 6. Skyfly Axe. Unlike many multi-copter designs, the Skyfly Axe combines helicopter capabilities with airplane efficiency. Starting around $150,000, depending on configuration, the Axe uses 4 large propellers powered by 8 electric motors. During vertical takeoff, those motors generate enough lift to leave the ground like a helicopter. Once airborne, fixed wings produce aerodynamic lift, allowing significantly greater efficiency than multi-copter-only aircraft. Cruise speed reaches approximately 100 miles per hour. Pure electric range is about 100 miles, while an optional hybrid range extender increases total range to roughly 200 miles. 7. Lift Hexa. Now let's move into one of the pioneers of personal electric aviation. The Lift Hexa costs approximately $495,000 for early ownership packages. Yes, that's expensive. However, unlike many aircraft still awaiting certification, people are already experiencing flights through commercial demonstration programs. Customers who simply want to try it can book flights lasting around 10 to 15 minutes for roughly $250. The Hexa carries a single passenger inside a lightweight carbon fiber frame supported by 18 independent electric motors. Instead of relying entirely on pilot skill, onboard computers stabilize the aircraft while a simple joystick controls movement. 8. Xpeng X2. China has quickly become one of the world's leading innovators in electric aviation, and the Xpeng X2 is a perfect example. Expected to cost around $200,000, with some early estimates ranging from $110,000 to $250,000 depending on final specifications, the X2 combines styling with practical engineering. 8 motors and 8 propellers provide vertical takeoff and landing capability. Passengers can either fly manually or allow autonomous systems to control navigation. Performance includes speeds approaching 80 miles per hour, flight endurance of approximately 25 to 35 minutes, and a maximum range near 47 miles. 9. Rise Recon. If you prefer something that feels closer to a flying ATV than a traditional aircraft, the Rise Recon might be exactly what you're looking for. Expected pricing sits around $150,000. The open-frame design places the pilot at the center, while 6 electric propellers provide lift. Removable battery packs simplify charging by allowing quick battery swaps. The Recon flies approximately 20 to 25 minutes, reaches speeds near 63 miles per hour, and typically covers 10 to 25 miles, depending on weight and weather conditions. One particularly useful feature is its ability to operate from both land and water. 10. Doroni H1X. This is one of the most luxurious entries in personal electric aviation. The Doroni H1X is expected to cost between $300,000 and $400,000, although the company hopes to reduce pricing toward $300,000 once production increases. Designed as a 2-seat personal aircraft, the H1X uses multiple ducted electric fans powered by lithium-ion batteries. The enclosed cabin gives it a sleek appearance resembling a sports car with wings. Beyond its eye-catching design, the H1X is being developed with everyday usability in mind. The aircraft incorporates advanced flight control software to assist with stability during takeoff, hovering, and landing, making it easier for private owners to operate. Safety is also a major focus, with features such as a ballistic parachute system and redundant propulsion components designed to provide additional protection in emergency situations. Doroni envisions the H1X as a practical solution for short regional travel, allowing owners to bypass road congestion while enjoying the convenience of vertical takeoff and landing from relatively small open spaces. Although certification and large-scale production are still underway, the H1X continues to attract strong interest from buyers looking for a premium personal eVTOL experience. Performance targets include speeds around 120 miles per hour, flight endurance close to 40 minutes, and estimated range between 60 and 100 miles. 11. EHang EH216-S. Finally, here's something completely different. Instead of learning to fly, what if the aircraft flew itself? That's exactly what the EHang EH216-S was designed to do. International pricing sits around $410,000, while domestic pricing in China is roughly $330,000. The EH216-S features 2 passenger seats and 16 electric rotors mounted across 8 arms. Passengers simply choose a destination while autonomous flight computers manage navigation. With a cruising speed approaching 80 miles per hour and approximately 25 minutes of flight endurance, the aircraft is primarily intended for urban transportation, sightseeing, and airport transfers. Following significant certification milestones, commercial operations have already begun in selected locations. This represents one of the biggest steps toward autonomous passenger aviation. As battery technology improves, manufacturing scales up, and regulations mature, many experts believe personal electric aircraft will continue becoming more affordable over the next decade. The dream of owning your own flying vehicle is no longer science fiction. It's gradually becoming reality. And while today's prices may still seem high, they're already significantly lower than what aviation enthusiasts would have expected only a few years ago. Who knows? The first truly mass-market personal eVTOL may arrive much sooner than anyone predicts. If that happens, the idea of commuting above traffic could become just as normal as driving to work today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos covering technology, groundbreaking aircraft, and the incredible innovations shaping the future of transportation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.